If you're building architecture models, not just a bunch of diagrams, having an architecture metamodel diagram is essential. It keeps everyone aligned on what's in your repository, making modeling more consistent and reporting easier. With AI-powered tools for Sparx EA, you can build your metamodel diagram from your repository in minutes. There are 4 AI-augmented architecture use cases: modeling, analysis, governance, and stakeholder engagement. This video focuses on governance. Start by connecting the AI tools you already use to your Sparx EA models with AI-powered tools for Sparx EA. Open the architecture model in Enterprise Architect on your computer. Launch AI-powered tools for Sparx EA within Claude or VS Code. Give it a prompt to create a metamodel diagram. It's always good to plan before executing. Make sure you are good with the scope and AI's interpretation of your model. Tell it what to build and where to build it. When the diagram is done, you can see it inline in the conversation or within Enterprise Architect. Your metamodel diagram is created and ready to use in minutes. AI did the mechanical work, but the architect is still in the driver's seat. Learn more about how you can start doing AI-augmented architecture by visiting sparxservices.com/AI-power-tools.